In this video, I will share a tutorial on how to screen Memecoins using a phone. Yes, on Axiom Pro. First, here we can go to the token we want. For example, in the Explore section, then this is real. Yes, an example. We are already in here. There's a shield symbol like this green shield. We just click there. Now here there's a note saying top 10 holder, 19%. Its depth is safe green. Sniper is also safe green. Insider is safe and bundlers are 11%. Thus liquidity pool is safe and there are pro traders and holders. So if we look here, the top 10 holders make up 19%. Actually, this is generally safe, but here the notification is red. This isn't too much of a problem as long as it doesn't exceed 25%, it's safe. Then we move to the tables section. Tables. And here we go to the bubble section. In this bubble section, we can see, is this token dangerous or not? Or does it have many bundlers or not? And many... Yeah, if we look here, we see there are 4 clusters. The colored ones are clusters. This is only 4. So actually this is still relatively safe. But there are some clusters where one cluster holds 4%. This is actually still safe and not too dangerous. So for the rupiah pool, this token isn't too high, Chris. It still has the potential to rise. Well, if you want to buy it, you just click buy right here, buy. Then decide how much you want to purchase. My suggestion is to use the RSI here in the indicator. You can use the RSI. Now if it's done, we can analyze further, right? So when we can enter and when we should exit using RSI. Next, we will try with another token. In another token, we can see here, for example, this one, China. Well, it's the same here. For this, we check in the towns. Then if we look, well, this cluster is usually a watch trading cluster. Now, this is very dangerous and avoid tokens like this. If we look at the audit, it's safe. But in the tables and bubbles, there is a very dangerous cluster. So there you go. That's a brief explanation on how to screen meme coins to avoid a rug pull. For those who want to use Axiom Pro, the link is in the description.